Hey there. Today we're going to talk about Limey, a great software tool that has really made waves in the digital space. This tool is perfect for anyone, whether you're just starting a business, already own one, or simply want to up your online game. Before we dive into the specifics of this video, let's talk about why Limey might be for you. You might be pleased to know that almost all of Limey's features are free. Yeah, you heard that right. This means that you can access a wide range of tools to improve your online presence without even opening your wallet. The feature that we're focusing on today mainly is the custom domain option, which can really make your online space feel like home. For starters, you can create multiple variations of simple page websites. You're not locked into any sort of cookie cutter model here. And another thing that makes something great about Limey is the fact that you can manage all of your online affairs in one centralized spot, making your life and experience a lot smoother. There are a lot of different tools that do things similar to what Limey can do, but none quite do it the same way. All right, let's get down to business. So the first thing we're gonna do is log in, and then we can go to sites here. So I'm going to press this plus sign, and you can either make a new link or a new site. I'm gonna press new site, and there are a variety of different ones you can choose from. So for me, I'm gonna pick a one-page website that can be as simple as something like this. So this is, if I click on the demo site, you'll see that I can get a preview of what I'm looking for. And then there's a hyperlink here to, a booking session. So that's a pretty solid landing page. Let's pick that one. Let's pick select. Now, in the settings here, you'll notice that the site needs to be published first in order for us to adjust the custom URL. So let's take a look at this and notice how if we click general, the title is right here. Let's just change this to Rise Productive. And then in a description, you optionally can put this. It's for search engines. So I'm gonna put this description that I have for Rise Productive, which is empowering those focused on intentional productivity to align themselves and others through impactful content, high value products, and dynamic services. Google will snag that as well as other search engines. And then here's the image with text. So I can grab an image of myself and upload it right here to replace that image. Take the name and put Dimitri Benici. And then if I wanted to put a description here, I could, but as you'll notice, there's this image with text that's below it. So the next section has the content right here, and I can change that to have this get pushed out, right? And the way that this works is essentially, I have a button on the bottom here, and I can adjust this and add more buttons if I'd like and move this around. I like the way that you can adjust the styling for each individual button, change the URL. It's very simple and easy to do. So all I'm gonna do here is change this to a different URL. So I have a booking link that I can paste in here for a discovery call. Then when I click on it, it will send me to that discovery link. And then on the bottom, there's a bunch of different links that I can adjust to go to my YouTube channel, TikTok, Twitter. I love how the styling works here and how I can make it essentially fit in with the background perfectly. So solid work on that. And overall, I think this is a good just starter page. So if I press this right here, I'll see this without any of the side view. Looks good to me. And then in order to save this, I'm gonna press publish and type Rise Productive at the end and then save. Now, if I press on the gear icon on the top left, I then can adjust the favicon really quick. Make sure I pick one that's 32 by 32. So this one should be good. Turn off the Limey branding. And then if you're on the light version or above, you can press this right here and you'll see what domain would I like to use. I'm gonna use riseproductive.com, all right? So with riseproductive.com, if I press continue, I have a couple options. I would pick the first one. This makes it a little bit more simple. So then when I press this, now what I'm going to do, as you'll notice, is that we have to add these to where we have our custom domains. So it's pretty simple to actually do this. So I'm gonna go to Google Domains and manage my domains. And then if I click manage right here, we'll have to go to the DNS settings and then manage custom records. So all you need to do in this is, first of all, with the CNAME, where it says www, you're gonna copy cname.limey.io, and you're gonna replace this here. For here, you're gonna have a CNAME and leave this empty. No need to put the @ symbol. So just put this right here. And you'll see when I click on this or this, it shows you like riseproductive.com, riseproductive.com. So it should be good to go. And then we'll add a new record, which is gonna be the TXT type. And we're gonna get the name to be this. And then you take this and in the text section, just copy the value and paste it here. Then I gotta delete this and press save. Now, as you'll see, it may take up to 24 hours for the records to update. And if you set the records correctly, that'll be the case. But after we press verify, and then we go back to our site, so let's click in right here. There, you'll see riseproductive.com. This is my landing page. I can click right on here, and it would bring me to that discovery call that I had put at the beginning. So it's a really simple and easy process, especially with the type of tools that you have out there. I love how absolutely simple it is to set up a custom domain inside of Limey. And I don't have to only do this with one site. I can do it with a bunch of different landing pages and sites. So if you're interested in building out a Limey landing page or website, make sure to do so now at limey.io. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.